bottle of wine. $4.50, you're never gonna get nothing fine. 241 should have been a sign, just like vintage 1999. Cheap wine makes my head hurt every time, but I'll never seem to learn. Pass the bottle, I'm gonna take my turn. I was gonna impress her with my good taste. Straight from Nevada, wine country is what it did say. She got this sour look on her face. She said goodbye, and I'm still wondering why today. Cheap wine makes my head hurt every time, but I'll never seem to learn. Pass the bottle, I'm gonna take my turn. Slightly reminiscent of something from the vinegar shelf. And I was none too proud that I picked it out myself. Looking back with perfect vision, it's painfully clear decision.